Hi guys, I'm Yao. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to installing the carbon fiber cup mirrors on my BMW 530i. And before that, let me show you the changes in the past week. Let's start at the exterior. As you can see, the front, there's no more chrome grille. It is the carbon fiber one. As you can see, this carbon fiber grille comes from the M Performance BMW. And which is a factory part, and but on my car it doesn't have the front camera. So as you can see, there is a plug on this hole, and this plug also from the OEM. I will put those part number in the description below. How do you guys think? I think this looks much better than the chrome. And let's go to the rear. This is also from the M Performance BMW as well. This one is called the Carbon Fiber Pro Wing, and as you can see, this is the rear view, and how do you guys think? I think it looks much better. And let's go inside. And then let me show you one more changes. If you know the ID7 system pretty well, then you will see the cluster is already different than the factory one. And this is the comfort mode, as you can see right now. This will be the sport. If you saw my installation video, then you will know this. And if you have the head-up display on your car, then your head-up display will be also showing the RPM as well. So you can change the info by pushing the BC button, as you can see. And these are all of the info you can see. Really enjoying this one. And right now, let me show you the parts that I'm going to installing today. As you can see, the carbon fiber mirror caps, and as you can see, this is not the design from the M5. This is the new design from the new M3 and the M4. I chose this one because I think this design is much aggressive than the one from the M5, which is not the OEM part from the M Performance. If you want to get the M Performance one, you also need to change the whole mirror caps and also the base as well. I think that will be too much job for me. That's why I chose the aftermarket one. This also made a really good quality, as you can see. It's a full carbon fiber on both sides. The another one. So how do you guys think? You don't need much tools for this. You just need a trim removal and a priority 10, and let's restart the work. And actually, when you swap in the caps or the lights, you don't need to take out the mirror. You can just pushing out these caps. Now let's begin this side. You just use the trim removal to push the edge out.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
So once the cap is out, you remove the two bolts, and there is a clip here. You just push it, slide the lights out. Start with the ending, then the turn single lights will be out. Now, once the lights back to the cap, and we just tightening up the two bolts. So as you can see, both sides are done, and this side. And as you can see, it's perfect. It will be lost touching the pillow here, even when the mirror is floating back. Same to this side, as you can see. So how do you guys think? I think it looks much more aggressive. So this is it. The design from the new M3, M4, it looks much aggressive than the current M5 caps. Let me know what you think in the comments below. This will be end of this video, and there will be more parts coming. And if you want to get one of these caps, I will put a link in the description below. Thanks for watching. I will see you next video.